Made in Thunder, Maserati ushered in something amazing here, folks. Something straight up amazing. Something artistic. Something nice to look at. Something utterly Italian. Now, April 15th, the atmosphere here invoked a transformation of innovative momentum, ingenuity, creative inspiration, and the highlights of a new journey into the future for Maserati. Made in Thunder. An overture and a Folgore, the new 100% electric House of the Trident. Yes, and boy does it look stunning and artistic. This color is just amazing. The GranCabrio Folgore is elegant and attractive, with a sporty and adventurous character, without sacrificing the pleasure of a car, with the comfort and the craftsmanship of Maserati. 100% electric convertible in the luxury segment and the fastest in the market. This is going to be the brand's first fully electric icon. The GranCabrio Folgore, the first 100% electric SUV, is coming soon in the Trident history. And this is going to complete the full electric offering that Maserati has to offer. This is a beautiful new creature. Elegant to the look, the lights with the signature headlights of a Maserati, the way that it looks is just phenomenal, folks. Now, next up is what this portrays. Italian design at its best, folks. That's what makes this awesome. Now, Maserati produces a range of unique cars, and this sort of range is something phenomenal. With the Trident, the design, you have the metal shifters that stay in one place. From the design of the leather, it's just something phenomenal. To the mirrors, to the headlights, to the Maserati emblem, and the Trident. What a beautiful car, folks. And inside, you can even let down the windows with a swipe of a finger, as you can see. And a convertible all moves that quickly. I mean, look at that craftsmanship, folks. And look at that clock. It's like a smartwatch. Who would think of such a thing but Maserati? The Italian flag, just the design, the stitching, everything about this speaks volumes. From the hand rest, the sound system, and as you can see, it's moving, with showing that it's coming out some good sounds. The leather, the design of the leather. This is going to be a masterpiece, folks. You can expect something like this to cost about $250,000. But it is just amazing. The back looks like something out of a yacht. The electronics, the speedometer, the way the battery charges the display, the different modes, Corsa, Sport, and look what you can do to the clock, folks. It is something amazing, even showing the sound waves in the digital display. What a nice setup, folks. What a nice design by Maserati. Maserati has done something phenomenal, folks. Maserati has made something awesome. The Folgore. Something amazing, folks. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Have an awesome day.